So I don't know if you remember, but there's an enduro event where some little kid fell over and I helped him up and he razzed and roosted me. This is the kid we're going to ride. He's a little ripper, he is. So he wants me to ride him, so I'm going to follow him around for a bit. I've been talking to his dad a lot on Instagram, and he's doing really well in the events. So he turned up today, so as a little gift I gave him a... Oh no! You right, bud?
Nice and slippy.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
So you go around. Hi, bud. He's got some balls. There you go. Go on, buddy. Roosted for good measure. Go on, buddy. Go on. Ring it. Oh, he's down. You okay? He's gone, he's gone, I need to get him. I was concentrating on other people. Go on, boy. He's going well, he's going well. Oh, watch out. Is he going to roost me? Oh! Good man! Held that one! You got it! He's gone. Oh, look at this now. He's going well. Give this video a like for this little ripper. He really wanted me to ride with him, so that's really cool. Go on. Well, he lives with a power band, doesn't he? I love it. I love it when the young ones give it a go. Oh, go on. Yes. Hopefully you can whack the bar pad on that bike, make it way cooler. It's the future of the sport here. Alright, mate! Go on, buddy. Show him how it's done. See how many people do this little hill climbing here? Well done, mate. You were smashing that.
Thanks.
You were good. What do you have? You only had one crash. You slid out once on the grass hill and saved that one. Good, mate. You're good riding. Good riding.